In this video, we will show you how to using fake GPS on Android. To using fake GPS on Android, it's very easy. First, you need to activate your developer mode on your Android. And the second, make sure the GPS or location is active in here. Okay, to see your current location, make sure this is active. For example, I will open the Google Maps. You can using another Maps application. Okay, to see your current location, just click this. Okay, this is your current location, just for example. Now you need to install the fake GPS on Play Store. Just click Play Store and type fake GPS. Okay, just click fake GPS in here and select fake GPS location by Alexa. Okay, is in here and click install. Okay, fake GPS location. After the installation process, you can click open here. You can see there, almost there. Please set fake GPS as mock location app. First, open setting and developer option, and the second is select mock location app. Okay, I will go to my settings. Okay, select your settings on your Android smartphone, usually this gear, and type developer. Okay, one brand to another is little bit different. In my case, to enable the developer option or developer mode is using MIUI version. Just typing this or tapping this more than 5 times, approximately 7 times. Now you are a developer. After the developer mode is activated, if you type search again, the developer will appear. Okay, now the developer options is appear. Just click this. Now scroll down and select mock location. This is select mock location app. Just click this and select fake GPS. Okay, mock location app is set to fake GPS in here. Now you need to open the fake GPS application. Okay, open your fake GPS location and then drag the location you want to appear on your location. For example, I want to Yellowstone here, and this is not very accurate but a little near here. Just click this to start activate your fake GPS. Okay, now you need to open the Google Map, for example. Now you successfully set your GPS location into fake GPS. Hope this video helpful for you. You can see our activate is near Yellowstone.